Hello, myself Meena Prajapati, Principal Vivekanand Academy. Friends, I am starting my new channel Blooming Mind for study the English grammar and other subjects also. And today my topic is articles. There are two types of article, indefinite and definite. A and are indefinite articles, whereas the is definite article. Now we are talking about the uses of articles. A and both are used before countables in singular number. A is used before countable in singular number which starts with a consonant sound. For example, a train, a building, etc. And is used before countable in singular number which starts with a vowel sound such as an umbrella, an honest man. A is also used in following expressions such as a pity, what a pity, noise, don't make a noise, a nuisance, to be in a hurry, etc. Friends, you can see and in umbrella, U is a vowel, whereas honest, H is a consonant, but here the sound is honest, or means a vowel sound. So we can see that and is used before a vowel sound, not vowel, vowel sound, such as honest man, an MLA, etc. Now we are talking about the definite article, the. There are so many uses of the. The is used before a noun to make it particular or special. For example, the train by which I came, the book I usually read, the book, particular book, and train, the particular train. Now, with a noun that has already been mentioned. For example, my uncle gave a watch to me as birthday present. The watch is beautiful. The watch is mentioned before here with superlative degree. For example, the brightest star in the sky. In such a way, the is used with such phrases or immediately single or specific. A person or object such as the first building, the only child, the same pan, the chief aim, etc. In this way, the is also used for something that are unique such as earth, the moon, the sun, the sky, the equator, the north pole, directions, etc. The east, in the west, etc. Like this, we use the with the name of rivers such as the Ganga river, the Nile river, seas and oceans, the Pacific Ocean, the Indian Ocean, mountain ranges, the Himalayas, the Alps, holy books like the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, the Quran, etc. Trains, the Shatabdi Express, ships such as the Ashoka, aeroplanes, the Indian Airlines, newspapers, the Navbharat Times, the Indian Express, well-known buildings such as the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. Name of countries, group of countries which contain a common name such as the USA, United States of America, the whole families like the Sharmas, the Guptas, the Khans, etc. In this way, the is also used with the common noun that we present the whole class, such as the cow eats grass. If we use the here, because here the cow means all the cows eat grass. Yes, we have talked about the uses of articles. Now we will use the facts of article. Here some examples here. First of all, a and an. We saw that an is used with the vowel. A, E, I, O, U. But we use here a, not an. An is not used here as university. it sounds consonant. Here umbrella U is also here, but it sounds a. Umbrella a is an vowel sound, so we use and here. Am is not a vowel, it is a consonant word letter, but we use and here. Why? Am sounds vowel sounds, so we use and before amla. Like this we use an, amp, and r as h is a consonant letter, but here sound is o, a and a. Now we talk about the omission of articles. Normally we don't use any articles before when a noun used in the general sense, such as man is modern. We don't use any article before man because here man is used in the general sense. With the name of material noun such as paper has become very expensive. Paper is here material noun, so we don't use any article here. With plural noun that denotes a class, such as animals can also be friendly. Here animals are used here to denote a class. With the name of meals before, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, we don't use any article before here these words. With the name of diseases such as malaria, typhoid, we don't use any article before these, but some exceptions are here, such as the mumps, etc. before the language and branch of knowledge, such as English is the language of the English. Here this English is about the language, English language, and here the English is used as the English people. With the name of days, month or season, such as Monday, month, January, February, etc. season, summer, winter, etc. In headlines, notices, email, messages, etc. For example, we use President inaugurates the camp. This is a headline, so we don't use any article before president. Thank you friends for watching my video, and if you have any query regarding this article or any other topic, you can comment below the comment section. We will meet soon with a new topic in next video. Thank you very much.